Magnum Shango. This is rounded, maybe I would prefer it to be flat and thinner. It's a big knife. Handle shape is excellent. If it would be flat, it would be perfect for my hand. I can feel the clip, but it's okay. Blade shape is nice. I didn't have to cut this off. This is really good. I like it. Boker Magnum Shango, around 91 grams, 87 millimeters blade. Feels good. It's not on bearings probably. Overall, good €40 knife. Compared, for example, pyrite lightweight, normal pyrite, my favorite Okoke. This is the ideal handle shape, blade shape, more or less this is the ideal knife. If it would be with compression lock or crossbar lock or button lock or top liner lock or button liner lock, it would be perfect. I think I would stop to look for a knife. And CVV is as close as I could get to a perfect knife. Element to button lock, more or less they have the same cutting edge. Nice, useful knife. Let me know in the comments how do you like it.